first sail on Pau Hana ever. It's kind of sloppy, but we'll take it. I think the main sail's jammed in the roller, mainmast furling, but oh well. We're moving, we're not using diesel. This is our third or fourth sail, I can't remember which. We're headed to Middle Bass for Labor Day weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, come back on Monday. We got both sails out. Pulling the boat out of the dock was fairly uneventful. The only thing that happened was the boat pole got stuck in the lines and it's hanging on the dock still, so we'll get it when we get back. But we still got two other boat poles. So we're doing about somewhere between 4.5 and 5.5 knots because the wind keeps shifting.
When do we get the margaritas out?
In about an hour, we'll get margaritas out. We won't have to do anything for 3 days. All right, sailing Pau Hana, standing by on 16. Marina's at the helm. We're doing about 6 knots and about 10, 11 knots of wind. Both sails up. Perfect day for a sail.
Ring of fire, I fell into a burning ring of fire. I fell for you like a child, but it burns, burns, burns. That ring of fire, that ring of fire.
From here for children, everybody.
First time sailing downwind on this boat. Trying to stay wing on wing, which is kind of complicated with the shifting winds of Lake Erie. But so far, we seem to be doing okay. Knock on wood. I'm controlling the lines. Papa's observing. Maria's got the helm. We just left back there by those yellow buildings.